Hello everyone, this is Ashwini from Parthenium Projects. Today we are going to see Advanced Binary MLM Software Business Plan Script Source Code PHP. So, this is one of the software developed by our team Parthenium Projects. Now, what is binary plan? The binary plan is a structure used in MLM. Now, what is binary planning? A binary planning is a structure used in MLM. Now, what is MLM? Multi-level marketing. MLM is called as multi-level marketing that ensures one member recruit or two members to the first level. Each of the member brought in the place is placed either left or right, has a subtree. The subtree usually has first level people will bring out two more peoples. Each of the first level people bring out two more people to the subtree, to the tree. This is what a binary MLM is. Let us see a platform for this particular binary MLM. I log in into the admin page. This is our admin page. Here you can see the dashboard. Here you can see the admin options. Here you can see the admin profile. This is about our admin page. Now let us see each and every option. First one is report. In report you have view transaction report and client report. First we are going to see view transaction report. Here you can view all the transaction report. Here you have transaction date, bill number, transaction type, client name, login ID, transaction amount, payment type and transaction note you have. Here we have one more option. You can search from date to date. You can give a particular date and give a to date and click on search. In this particular from and to date, none of the transaction has been happened. So this is about the viewing the transaction report. Next one is client report. Here you can view the client report. This is the client name, brand, payable, receivable, remaining and action you can see over here. Next one is chits. In chits you have many options over here. The first one is chit. So here you need to give the chit name, total amount of the chit, pay time, pay day. Here you need to enter the payment time. Here you need to enter the payment day. You need to assign the value for the slots. The first one is number of months or week. You need to enter. Next, select the starting date, select the ending date, select the amount before, select the amount after, then click on add slot. Once when you add the slot, that particular slot will be added to this particular chit name. So next is you are going to give the installments. So total installments of the chit you are going to give. Next you are going to give the duration, starting date, ending date, description and members you need to add. Then press submit. That particular chit will be added to your record. Next one is list of records. When you have more than one chit, you will be having records over here. You can see the chit numbers here, chit names, amount, installment, duration, starting date, ending date, description, members. Total members are 23. Here you have action. In action you have edit, view, members and delete. This is about list of chit tables. Next one is adding the members to the chit. How you are going to add a member for a chit? So first you need to select which chit it is, then select the members, then click on submit. Once when you submit these members, that particular members will be added to that particular chit. So this is the chit 2. This is the chit 2. Under chit 2 we have left ringtone and one has a members. So here you can delete the member list, edit the member list, or chit list you can see. So this is about the list of members under chit. Next is adding the user. Here you are going to add up a user. You need to fill this form. This form, register a new membership. So you are going to give the full name, email ID, mobile number, login ID, password, re-enter the password, ePIN you are going to give, sponsor ID you are going to give, select the position, either left or right you are going to select, then click on I agree the terms and condition, click register. That particular member will be added to your binary tree. Next one is pay. Here you can see, first you need to select for which chit you are going to, first you need to select that, then paid by which member you are going to click, paid date and time you are going to give, then amount you are going to give, how much amount they are paying you are going to give. If you have any description, you can enter the description, click pay. So successfully chit amount is paid, it will give you. Here you can see paid amounts. So once when you click on view, you are going to view the payment details. So this is about the paying chit. Next is pay list. So here you are going to see the list of paid members. So here you are going to see the number, paid by, paid date and time, amount, chit name, description, and if you want to view any of the payments, you can view over here. Next is tree downline. First you are going to see my downline tree. First you are going to see the admin right and left you are going to see. Next you are going to see this left side, you can see 2 members over here, and right side you can see 2 members over here. Again you have one more person here. For this particular person you have left and right. For this particular person you have left and right. This particular person you have left and right. For this person you have left and right. So this is the first level of the tree. This is second level of the tree. This is third level of the tree. Each and every level you have 2 members for each person. Admin have 2 person. Again this person have 2 person over here. Again this person have 2 person here. This person has 2 person over here. So this is what a binary tree is. Binary means 2. So each and every members have 2 more members in their list. Next you can see the my down list. Next direct down list, you can see this images. We have given 3 different options over here. Next one is employee. Under employee you have user. In user you have 2 more sub options. One is add user. If you want to add up a user, you can give it here. So here you need to give the user type, whether admin or a user you are going to give. Next give the first name, last name, gender, address, salary, salary type, choose the profile image, email ID, contact number, mobile number, login ID, password, confirm the password, click on the status as active, then submit the user information. Once when it is submitted, the user will be added. Next one is viewing the user. Next one is viewing the user. So here you can see the icon, name, user type, login ID, address, contact number, mobile number, email ID, status. So these are the information given by the user, added by the admin. So this is the database where all the data will be stored. Next one is user type. So here you are going to add up a user type. If you want to add up a new user type, you can give that particular user type, give a note, select active, then click on submit. That particular user type will be added. So here you have 2 user types. One is admin, one is panelist. If you add one more user type, under this it will come. So let me show you. I'll select active, click on submit. So here you can see employee has one more list. If you want to edit it, you can edit. If you want to delete it, you can delete it. Next one is my profile. Here you can see the admin profile. If you want to change any of the information, you can change it and submit it. Next one is ePIN. Under that, the first one is generate a ePIN. Here you should give login ID, pay the amount, press submit. That particular amount will be added to the new PIN record. Next one is used ePIN. So here you can see which are the PIN code being used by which login ID. Here you have the login ID, PIN number, amount, date and time, PIN used by action and transfer you can see. If you click on transfer, you can see the transform PIN record over here. Next one is unused ePIN. Here you can see the PIN that is not being used. So these are the few pins that has not been used by the admin. Next one is PIN transfer. Here you can see the PIN transfer over here. Here you have request ID, query, user and action you have. If you click on transfer, you can see the transfer detail. Next one is PIN transfer report. Here you can see the report of PIN transfer. So amount that has been transferred to that particular person, you can see it over here. Here you have the login ID, PIN number, amount, date and time, PIN used by action and transfer, you can see it over here. Next one is sent PIN report. These are the few sent PIN report. Here you can see the list over here. Next one is payment. Next, withdrawal amount. Here you can see the withdrawal amount. So first you need to give the login ID, then total balance. You can see how much amount you want to withdraw. You can give that amount, then click on submit. PIN generated successfully. This PIN you are going to give. By using this PIN you can withdraw the amount. Next, if you want to deposit a amount, give the bill number, transaction amount. You need to give a transaction amount, transaction date it is showing. Next, select the type, either cash, check, NEFT or other mode you are going to give. Then click on the login ID, give your login ID, then transfer note if anything is there, give that, click on submit, you can deposit the amount. Next one is report deposits. You can see all the deposits, transaction date, bill number, transaction type, you can see it over here. All the deposited amount you can see it over here. Client name, login ID, transferred amount you can see, and payment type you can see. If there is any note, that note will be displayed over here. Next is report earnings. Here none of the data are present over here. Next one is report withdrawal. Here you can see the money that is withdrawn. So none of the money is withdrawn, so it is showing empty. Next one is complete report. Here you can see the complete report of the transactions. Here you can view the details, bill number, transaction type, client name, login ID, amount, transaction amount, payment type, transaction note, you can see it over here. Next is settings. In settings you have master settings and change password. In master settings you have PIN cost 1500, expire hour you can give, pair income you can see. So here you can see the history. So this is about master settings. Next one is change password. Give your login ID, give your new password, click on the confirm password, then click submit. Your new password will be updated. Next option is admin. Here you can see the profile. So this is the profile, admin profile. If you want to change any of the information, you can change and click on submit. The next one is sign out. So once when I sign out, it will come out of the admin page. We have come out of the admin page. So this is about the binary MLM platform. Customization of the project is done by our team Parthenium Projects. Contact details are given in the description box. If you like this video, please hit a like, share it with your friends, and please subscribe our channel. Thank you.